02. Now, I may not be the right time, depending on what's your broker, Felix. Oh, 02, 08. What is going on here? Oh, it's not letting me. There we go. Oh, sorry guys, I can't get to use my indicator. Just 1 second, something's weird. No, I can't get it to work now. Oh, good job. Thank you, Felix. Okay, let's look at it. 02, 08. $11.30. Yeah, I was going to say everything must, I'm sure, has to be short. The only thing that could have happened here, Felix, is that you took the double bottom. No, that red line shouldn't be there. I was trying to get rid of it. Do you have it in your chart, Robert? No, this is not new. It's just I don't know how it got in my chart. Oh no, yeah, just it shouldn't be there, Robert. Sorry. Yeah, I got rid of it there now. Felix, I will spank you if you took this trade right here. Literally. And I'm assuming that's what you did. You took a trade at a double bottom. You're not doing your homework, my friend. There's a double bottom right there. That currency had fallen 230 pips the day before. I know exactly what happened here. Lucky, big surprise here. Comes back, tests the 38% fib, just like we talk about all the time. Comes back and forms a double bottom. What are we looking for on a double bottom? We're looking to go long. We're looking to take the GAN up. We're looking to go back and test the 23 fib. So Felix, please pay attention at these classes. You just broke the classic rule there. It's a double bottom. There's the signal right there on the 30-minute chart. It went 12 pips and then came back. But it's double bottom from the day before, Felix. Right there. It's like plain as day. You can't say to me it wasn't a double bottom at the time. It absolutely was a double bottom at the time. I'm trying to help you here. All right, if you don't want help, good luck, my friend. That first candle was formed on August the 1st. I have no say over what happens to candle. The currency gave a signal on this candle right here, the first break, right there. I have no control over where the candles are. If you want to feel better by blaming me for where the candles are, by all means do so. But you're not going to help yourself as a trader. That much I will tell you. You're hurting yourself. You'll never be a trader if you do that, Felix. I'm serious, man. Just give it up now. The other thing I would say, we're the only people that I know that have a $58 indicator out there, $58, and continuing weekly education every week, so that I can go over this stuff with you guys over and over and over and over again. Now, I will also say this very important point. Not everybody's going to make it. No matter what I do in here, no matter how long I spend, no matter how many webinars we do, there are folks who either, for whatever reason, will not take what I'm saying, will not follow through, will make their own decisions and do their own kind of thing, and that'll be it. There's nothing. I'm not expecting to convert everybody into a professional trader. But what I am trying to do is work with the guys who are workable with. Some people are unteachable, and there's nothing I can do about that. If somebody doesn't want to learn, there's absolutely nothing I can do about that. But I've been doing this a long time. Felix, absolutely. But the chart doesn't lie. Felix is still arguing with me, guys. It's unbelievable to me. Unbelievable to me. What's not a lie, Felix, is that's a bottom, the first bottom on the 1st of August. What's not a lie is that's the second bottom on the 2nd of August. What's not a lie is that it is plain as day is a double bottom. Now, where you got caught, I have a good idea where you got caught, is that you never looked to the left. You never went back and looked for that double bottom. You didn't do your drill down. Because if you were on a 1-hour chart, that thing is as plain as day. And if you were out on your daily chart, and if you feel better, no, Felix, I won't actually. I will not. If you feel better, by saying things about me, by all means, Felix, go ahead. But you're not going to be a trader, my friend. I'm sorry. So again, do your due diligence, guys. Go back out on the pound dollar. Put your Fibonacci on. Know exactly where we're at. Go down to the 1-hour chart. Do the same thing. Yeah, I'm not going to talk about it anymore, Harry. Yeah, you got it. Thanks, Harry. Do your due diligence on the 1-hour chart. Get your mark, just like I do every week. I do the same thing. Mark those support and resistance levels. And the other golden rule that, and thank you for the input, Felix, that Felix broke there, was remember what we said on a 30-minute chart, that first trade is your very best one. Second, and after that, forget it. So the first trade is the golden rule. If you see the double bottom, now right now, guys, we have a triple bottom. Let's be clear about this. We have a triple bottom right now. Here it is again. If you get a signal down here, let me bring it back. And I'm going to be very specific here. Take this out, get it back to it right now. Yeah, and we have a signal right there. If anybody takes a signal right there on a triple bottom, that means, first of all, you haven't done your homework on the British pound. We've had 2 moves already taken place. And you get spanked on it. I hate to say this, but you almost deserve to be. Because that's against all of our rules. No, that's Robert, that's all within the same week. So good point. Thank you, Felix, for pointing that out to us. This is all within the same week. So I would take that. Yeah, that's very important, Robert. Good point. That is a triple bottom forming. I just saw it right there. So thank you, Felix, for saving us some extra work here. Bing, bing, bing. Triple bottom forming the British pound. Please, guys, don't go short right there. Anyway, back to the point at hand. I spent all that time getting away from the important thing, which is with the kind of market that we have right now, guys, please go down to the Euro GBP. Any questions on the Euro GBP or what we were doing today or the methodology? And sorry for taking up so much time there with Felix, but I was trying to help him, is what I was trying to do. God bless Felix. God bless you, my friend. Just 1 second, guys. God bless Felix. Yeah, you too. Any questions, guys? So the main thing is what I'm saying again, down to the Euro GBP, at least until we get through this turmoil. Do our due diligence, just like we spoke about. Always start out on the daily chart. Always draw your fibs out there. Get any trend lines that are applicable on the daily chart, get them on there. And then equally important, get down to the 1 hour, get your trend lines on the 1 hour, and get your Fibonacci over the last at least 2 weeks. Look for at least 2 weeks. And you can see pretty clearly there on that Euro GBP. There's that downward channel. I got my double 2-week fib on there. Down to my 30-minute charting window. And now again, look before you leap. Go back in time, just like I did today. I looked for support and resistance levels going back in time. And there's a support level above me there at the 8,700 level. So I marked that in case we end up coming back up to that. Now I drop down. I'm on my 30-minute chart now. And we see, because I had support over here, over to my left 3 days ago, and I had it marked, I knew that when this thing came back up, it was going to get resistance right there. And that's exactly what happened. Then the final thing, guys, I said was mark the price action for the day only when you feel confident that it has reached a final resting place for the day. And in this case, a double bottom right here. So you've got it. And again, remember what I said, almost always back to the 23, most likely to 38. And with the Euro GBP, really, really most likely to the 38 fib. Okay. Now let me take off the daily. And again, why am I doing that? Let's take a look at the Euro dollar 30-minute chart. The price action on that baby today was almost 300 pips. Go to my Euro GBP. Price action today, 96 pips. Huge difference. Yesterday, 65 pips on the Euro GBP. Yesterday, same up run, 200 and change. And if you took it all the way to the top, 230, but 212 here. So you can see this massive difference, guys. Now, does it limit some of the opportunities? Are there more opportunities? Probably. But again, right now, safety is the name of the game. People lost a ton of money today and yesterday in the stock market, on bonds, on commodities, everything just nuts. Let's get to the safe harbor for right now, guys. Okay. Then final thoughts. Again, this webinar will be available on the rubicon.com/blog site. You can go there just to view all the instructional videos are there, including these webinars that I do every week. They're usually up within 48 hours. You can follow me on Facebook at Francis P. O'Connor. If you just put in Francis P. O'Connor in Facebook, you'll find me. You can follow me on Twitter at Frank O'Connor FX. Frank O'Connor FX. If you want to purchase Paul Watson's Pro Tool kit, which is a trade management tool kit, that's available on our tradersedgeforex.com website. Just click on Forex Pro Toolkit. Don't forget to put in the TEF code. Auto alerts, signal service, forexautoalerts.com. Probably going to change the name of that as we roll out the new signal service. It'll be the Rubicon Forex Auto Alert, something like that, signal service. I'll let you know next week about that one. And then don't forget the brokers, guys. If you need links, any of you guys offshore need links to that FinFX account, just drop me an email. I'll get it to you. American clients, FXCM, FXDD, Forex.com, Alpari. We have the links. Just send me an email or send an email to broker@tradersedgeforex.com and we'll get them out to you straight away.